Hello students, Mr. Doria from the lab scene here. In today's episode, we'll be going over how to properly wash your hands. Proper hand washing is another skill we need to master as we try to keep each other safe when we get back to the school building in a few weeks. Remember in our last video, we went over how to properly wear a mask. Just like we talked about, you want to make sure the mask is nice and snug to your face, covering your nose and your mouth. But again, in this episode, we'll be specifically talking about how to wash your hands, along with how long you should be washing your hands. So let's head over to the bathroom and we'll get into this awesome episode of hand washing. Notice how I'm using plenty of soap and water as I'm washing my hands. I'm also making sure that I properly scrub my palms, knuckles, fingers, and nails. Again, we want to make sure we wash our hands to kill any germs that we may have picked up. If we kill the germs that are on our hands, we'll help limit the spread of disease.